Now check this out. What I have right here is a plasma cutting machine that converts air and electricity into plasma in order for you to cut any type of metal surfaces. Of course, this one was provided by Andeli in order for me to show you how it works, eventually hands-on, and my own opinion on this masterpiece. Super easy to bind with electricity because you have the mobility to combine 220 or 110 because eventually the machine itself already comes with an inverter in order for you to bind and connect. Of course, with the control panel that you can easily adjust to your needs. Eventually, the control panel will show you the exact PCI of the pressure of the air. Eventually, you bind this one with an air compressor in order to make it work. Not necessarily to be a powerful one because you need less air, like 55 PCI, in order to convert that into flame. And of course, showing you 110 right here, or eventually 220, the connectivity of the electric source. And then eventually using this wheel, you're going to be able to easily adjust the pressure of the flame with the protective glass for you to easily protect this one from splash of water or anything else. As for the cutting satisfaction, definitely super easy to perform. So basically, whatever you are doing, cutting metal, building something in order to do a statue or something, and you need to cut those pieces precisely, you're going to be able to easily bind with the ground. And of course, afterwards, just in case you are cutting even pipes for the job that you are doing, now you're going to be able to easily do so using a plasma cutter. Satisfaction that you can easily rely on because eventually you're going to be able to easily cut pieces of metal very fast. Of course, wear gloves because this piece is super hot. You're going to feel it. You need protective gloves in order to do so. But once again, returning to the operation of this one eventually can be used in a big variety of scenarios. If you're renewing something or working in construction, the only thing you need to do in order to bind is an air compressor and electricity. No gas needed because eventually for a flame, for the plasma cutter, you need just air and electricity. Definitely a great find for every man, especially if you love to put your hands on in order to do the job by yourself. Now you're going to be able to easily do so with a plasma cutter. Forget about those blades, about those plates that you use with an angle grinder or something else, because with this one, you're going to be able to easily cut the metal even faster. If you guys need a plasma cutter for yourself in order to cut plates, pipes, or anything that comes to your mind in order to make the operation of this work easier, then you should definitely have to consider a plasma cutter from Andeli. This one is definitely a recommendation from me. My name is Andre, and I absolutely approve this message.